Number 2, they said tan squared x, and then here you have 1 minus sine squared x. And this one, you can go and replace with cos squared x. Almal by. What do I do next? Ja. Mooi, jy kanselleer like that. You have to do the second step, or can you just go to the third step? You can go to the third step. And these two cancel out one another. And you are left with sine squared x. Saida, will you quickly go fetch me a glass of water, please? Mm-hmm.
For example, if the given equation was maybe tan x cubed, would you also be able to say sin x cubed over cos?
Yeah, like this. Okay, hierdie was lekker maklik, maar maak seker jy het al die stappe daar wat jy nodig het. You have to show me your factorization step. You have to show me that if you take out a common factor of 8, thank you so much. If you take out a common factor of 8, then this thing is equal to what? Yeah. You can't go straight to the answer. Jy moet eers maar daai faktorisering wys. Okay. As jy mooi gekyk het, so jy gesien het, hierdie is die faktore van die verskil tussen twee vierkante, but if you were not able to see that, let's foil that. So it's 9 minus 9 sine theta plus 9 sine theta minus 9 sine squared theta, and then you would have gotten to this anyway. So die verskil tussen twee vierkante, the difference between two squares. Okay, once again I can take out a common factor. And that thing is equal to what? Good. Cos squared. Did you say cos squared? Be careful that you never write down a function without an angle. So you can't say something like this. Because it's not true. A function does not exist on its own. A function is always in terms of an angle. So this, no. Does not exist. Death. Cannot be. Okay, and then I gave you guys number 8 as well, right? How did it go with number 8? Okay, so I'm going to write this as 1 over sine x over cos x. And I'll come back to this now. And this is just sine x over cos x. And for now, I'm going to leave this bracket as is. Okay. I quickly want to show you guys something. What is 1 divided by 1 over 5? You can type it into your calculator if you want to. Five. What is 1 divided by 2 over 3? 3 over 2. Altyd as jy 1 gedeel deur 'n breek het, dan draai jy eintlik net die breek om. Okay, and that's why 1 over tan x is actually just always equal to cos x over sin x. Right? Because tan x is cos x over is sin x over cos x. So 1 over tan x will just be the reciprocal of that. Okay. Nou gaan ek hierdie ding een breek gaan maak. So what will the common denominator be? Sin x cos x. Stem julle saam? Okay. Met wat moes ek sin x vermenigvuldig om by sin x cos x uit te kom? Oi, do we know how to write something as a fraction? If you say 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2, then you say I'm going to write that over 6. With what did you have to multiply 3 to get to the 6? 2. So then you multiply with 2 at the top as well. With what did I have to multiply 2 to get to 6? 3. So then I multiply with 3 as well. Oi, graad 8's. No, it's not confusing. It's exactly the same. So, I'll ask you again. With what did I have to multiply sin x to get to sin x cos x? So nou moet ek bo ook met cos x vermenigvuldig, né? So hy word cos kwadraat x. With what did I have to multiply cos x to get to sin x cos x? Sin x. So nou moet ek bo ook met sin x vermenigvuldig. Wat beteken hy word? Mooi. Okay, kom ons vereenvoudig sommer hierdie. Sien julle daai en daai kanselleer mekaar uit? Because one is at the top and one is at the bottom. And what is that? One, no? I can almost write it like this or like this. It doesn't matter. Do you guys agree that those two things are equal to one another? Hulle is presies dieselfde ding, né? En sin kwadraat x plus cos kwadraat x is gelyk aan 1. Nee, bring gou vir my laat ek kyk.